If you tend to wake up in the morning with your mind thought bombing, overwhelming you, like your mind's already out of the door before you've even woken up, and then you struggle to wonder why you're feeling overwhelmed and exhausted and resentful and kind of secretly bitter and a little bit snappy and grumpy sometimes because you're really not getting to focus on what matters most to you. You're working really hard but never seem to quite feel the ease, calm, joy that you're working so hard for. This video is for you. So it takes commitment, but it's worth it. So on waking, as soon as you realise your mind is doing that crazy fake emergency, thought bombing, travelling through time and space at 1,000,000 miles an hour, gently but firmly pull your attention away from your mind and into your body. Just notice how your body feels, and then remember what matters most to you. Invoke the feeling that you are trying to create by working at 1,000,000 miles an hour. Invite that feeling to flood every cell of your body. And just notice that feeling. Connect with what matters most to you. Connect with the joy, the calm, the ease that you are striving for. Then get on with your day and notice how that changes how you move through your day, how that enables you over time with practice to change how you make decisions and prioritise where you spend your precious time, energy and attention. It's easier if you first identify what matters most to you, but if you haven't been following me for a while and you haven't done that, don't worry. Just start with this 1 minute morning. Pull your attention back to you. Decide how you want to feel today. Decide who you are today. What kind of person, which version of you do you want to be as you move through your day? How happy, how calm, how resentful, how angry? Who do you want to be today? How do you want to feel? Everything you do everything you do is in order to change how you feel. We get stuff done because we hope we will feel lighter and more satisfied and more secure. But how often does that actually happen? It's not like getting 1,000,000 things done works out. There is no pot of ease at the end of your to-do list. There certainly isn't at the end of mine. Sometimes there's huge satisfaction and ease at the end of my to-do list, but it depends very much on what I'm up to. Am I focused on what will bring me the ease, the joy, the satisfaction? Or am I just trying to get stuff done because I'm so overwhelmed, I just want it out of the way because I believe that if I can clear stuff out of my way, then I will feel safe, at ease, and able to feel joy again. When you focus on what matters most to you, you are purposely creating space for joy, space for satisfaction, space for ease. When you just plough on through, you're just ploughing on through. You know this, I know this, because it doesn't work. How practiced are we both at ploughing on through to try and clear our overwhelm, instead ending up grumpy and exhausted and feeling completely out of alignment? If you're like me and you've practiced for years pushing through overwhelm into exhaustion, you know this to be true. So I invite you instead to focus on invoking the feeling that you want to achieve and feel today before you start your day. For 1 minute every morning before you've properly woken up, flood every cell in your body with the delightful feeling of ease, joy, whatever it is you want to feel today. Give it a go. Let me know how it goes for you. I'd love to know. Leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. There's a lot of more good stuff coming your way.